Yeah, for me it's a challenge, it's energetic, and then Ultimate has a spirit of sportsmanship that is just trying to build everybody up.
When you're good, everyone cheers you on, and when you're bad, like, they still cheer you on, definitely. I love that I'm like one of the worst players on the field, and everyone gives me like so many opportunities to play.
It's a great way to meet other students who you don't normally get to see during the week.
All the barriers come down, and it's a lot easier to just be yourself. It's definitely become a community, it's become a group.
Everyone's there to have fun, and everyone's high-fiving each other all the time, your team or the other team.
Last quarter we held a game of Memorial Day weekend at Coronado Beach, where we set up a full-size field. I think it was 2-3 games on the beach in the sands, followed by a barbecue.
I go for the athleticism, I think. I love to work out, but it's very much just a solo me kind of activity most of the time. So I like it as like a workout, and then I stay because it is a good community and I'm with all of my friends, and it's just a really fun way to be active and be around people and have a good time.
It's a time to invite others to play, you know, so they come out, we play on the beach, and then afterwards we can go swimming, have a barbecue that's put on by the group, and it's a really great community building activity.